10 years of experience working remotely, you have to pick up something along the way.
All working is about effective communication. And so there are ways that we were effective at communicating when we were in an office environment. Those systems do not translate to remote working directly.
Trust your staff to do the job that they're meant to do. Check in, not check up. And also then, like, the communication is so important.
Conversations are a bit more agile, a bit more ad hoc. So you don't necessarily need to book a formal meeting with people. You can just send them a message on Slack or jump on a Zoom call together whenever you've got time. So
you need to make sure that you communicate what you're doing. You raise your hand if you need help, and you're removing anything that can be an issue in advance.
It basically works. This is how you do your stand-ups. This is how you do your meetings.
When everybody's remote, you can have these, short 30-minute introductory meetings. Just everybody gets to know each other, starts understanding one another and understanding what the requirements of the solutions are, what the business needs, and who the people involved are, and what decisions they're being asked to make. And you can do this over, smaller chunks as opposed to putting everybody in a room together for 3 days.
Don't do massive stories that someone is going to come in on a Monday and say, great, I'll pick up that story, I'll see you in 2 weeks. And we never hear from them again. That's not collaborative, that's not great for the team.
It's definitely more like kind of a self-starter kind of environment. So you can kind of shape out your own day. It's automatically going to have a more positive effect on your mindset and how you approach work.
You can't access the level of talent that you need to build digital products, to advance your technology agenda, all these things. You can't do that with a localized mentality.
As you move toward this way of working, it has a snowball effect where you become more and more reliant on all these ways that are now more effective than the old ways. And you start seeing what the real benefits of remote working are.
As soon as you move to remote, there's no way back.